Hey Gadgetverse fans! Today, we're diving into a cleaning powerhouse that's surprisingly lightweight, the Shark Rocket Ultralight Corded Bagless Vacuum, HV301. If you're looking for a vacuum that balances performance, portability, and convenience, this model deserves a spot on your radar. The Shark Rocket HV301 is designed for both carpet and hard floor cleaning, making it a versatile tool for any home. One standout feature is its ultra-lightweight design. At under 8 pounds, it's easy to maneuver around furniture, stairs, and tight corners without straining your arms. Even better, the swivel steering adds precision, letting you glide around obstacles effortlessly. Being corded means you get consistent suction power without worrying about battery life or runtime. Shark's powerful motor ensures deep cleaning, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets while gently sweeping hard floors. The bagless design makes maintenance simple. You just empty the dust cup and rinse filters when needed. Pause for a second, the HV301 also comes with multiple attachments. You'll get tools for crevices, upholstery, and above-floor surfaces. This turns your vacuum into a complete cleaning system, handling every nook and cranny in your home. If you're comparing vacuums, Shark stands out because of its durability, lightweight portability, and strong suction. It's ideal for people who want efficient cleaning without lugging around a bulky machine. So should you consider it? If you value ease of use, versatility, and reliable suction, the Shark Rocket HV301 is a great option. Perfect for daily maintenance or deep clean sessions, it makes vacuuming less of a chore. Grab yours today using the Amazon link below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest, hands-on tech and gadget reviews.